If you want to change volume on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. You can, for example, open settings on your phone, and then we're gonna scroll down a little bit and go to sound and vibration. In here, you should be able to find 3 sliders. You can adjust the media loudness, the ringtone volume, and the alarm volume in here. Besides that, you can also use volume up and volume down buttons, which allows you to just simply adjust the volume level for media on the phone. But at the top of the slider, we have 3 dots, and you can open this panel where you can adjust, once again, the media, ringtone, and alarm volumes. Also, if you go to the control center or quick settings, then you can find this slider, which allows you to adjust the loudness of media on your phone. And if you press and hold your finger on this slider, you open this panel where we once again have 3 sliders for media, ringtones, and alarms. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.